This is a quick video to show you how to update Shaxpir on a Mac. When you launch Shaxpir, you're going to see a window that says Software Update. You click this Install Update, it's going to connect to the server and download until it gets up to 100%. And when it finishes downloading, it opens the Downloads folder that has the new installer in it, and it shuts down the application. And then we double click on that installer, and that gives us this installer window where we drag the Shaxpir icon into the applications folder. It asks us if we want to keep or replace. We're going to replace. Once that's done, we can close this window. We can close out the Shaxpir downloader. We can move this installer into the trash. And now, when we run Shaxpir the next time, it's going to show us a regular. First, we have to say OK, yes, run that. And now we're all good. We can sign right in.